We'll guide you through how to make menu in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser so you can begin the setup. When the browser loads, go to the search bar and type Notion, then press Enter to bring up the results. From there, click the top web that looks right, which will lead you to the official site of Notion. Once the site is open, look at the left sidebar and click the plus button in the private section to add a new page. When the new page appears, input the title based on your need so you know what this page will be used for. After setting the title, go inside your new page and use the search to find the column options. Select 2 columns so the page layout splits into 2 sides. Now your page will show a left side and a right side. You can choose which side will hold your menu. For example, you can place the menu on the left side so it stays easy to reach. The right side can be filled with anything you need. As an example, you can add a calendar to the right side to keep track of dates. Next, go back to the left column and type /Listview to add a list. When the list appears, give it a name. You can name it Menu so it clearly shows its purpose. After that, click New Page to add a new page inside the menu. Type the name of the new page based on your plan so each item has its own place. Once the page is created, select it and set the icon to something that fits your use. Icons help you find things faster. Keep adding new pages until you include everything you want. For example, you may want to add pages for your schedule and your habits. Make sure each page gets an icon that matches its use so everything stays organized. After the menu is complete, you can start adding content inside each new page. For example, if you have a page named About Me, open it and fill it with the content you want. This helps you keep your Notion space structured and clean. Each page you add inside the menu can hold different details, and the 2-column layout keeps everything easy to see and use. This completes the setup and gives you a simple layout you can build on any time.